How to listen to music offline on eSound. So let's get started. So if you want to listen to your music on offline on eSound application, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First what you have to do is to simply open up your eSound application, and after opening up your eSound, now what you have to do is in the search bar, which is on the bottom middle, you have to search for a song. So after searching for the songs, you simply select it, and after selecting it, now what you have to do is just simply tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top of your screen, so you can find a down arrow like icon. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can just simply add it. After tapping on that, you will find the three-bar icon beside that song. What you can do is just simply tap on that, and after tapping on the three-bar icon beside that song, you will add that song to your playlist, and you can listen that in offline. So just simply select the song and then tap on the three-bar icon beside that, and that will be added to your playlist. So now what you can do is just simply tap on the library which is on the bottom left, and after tapping on library, now you will successfully save this song. What you can do is just simply tap on this install option, and you can also install it in your Google Drive in the following cloud, and after adding them you can just simply listen them through offline. So just simply do this, and you can just simply listen a song on eSound in offline. So that's it guys, is how to listen to music offline on eSound. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.